Very good morning, students. So as we have finished the explanation, new words and meanings of the poem Trains of Unit 6 in English, we are going to start the workbook part today. So children, open your English workbook and come to page number 49. So now we are going to start with the question answers. I'll just read it to you, and then you have to note it down from the PDF that I'll send. So first one is, where do the trains run? The trains run over the mountains, plains and rivers. Okay, this already I have explained to you. I am just reading it so that it will be easy for you to go through. The trains run over the mountains, plains and rivers. What are the precious loads that they carry? The precious loads that they carry are passengers and mail. Okay, उनके लिए जो precious loads that we had done, passengers and mail. When do the trains run? The trains run through day and darkness. मतलब जो time से day and night के according that we'll write. What do the trains bring? The trains bring their precious loads. Trains precious loads लेके आती हैं वो. What is dusk and dawn? So dusk is early evening and dawn is early morning. Already we had done it in the meanings. Now we'll see the multiple choice questions. The trains run over the mountains, plains and rivers. That is option B. What do the trains carry? So passengers and mail. Option C. What is precious loads? Important things. Precious loads का मतलब है important things. That is option C. Freight cars. अब freight cars I already explained you. मतलब वो जो cars जो goods लेकर आते हैं. So it is option A, wagons that carry goods. Then number 5, the trains run through day and night. So option B. Next page, darkness means dash. So it is night. Option B. Dawn means option D, that is early morning. Dusk means early evening. Option C. Which word in the poem rhymes with plains? So plains goes in rhyming with trains. Option D. Which word in the poem rhymes with mail? It is option A, fail. Which word in the poem rhymes with on? On is dawn. Option B. Okay. Now question number 3 is, write 3 rhyming words. Here what we have to do? We have to write 3 rhyming words. See, जैसे first is mail. तो mail का rhyming word fail, F-A-I-L, N-A-I-L nail and S-A-I-L sail. Number 2 is plain. तो T-R-A-I-N train, M-A-I-N main and B-R-A-I-N brain. Driver, it is clever, C-L-E-V-E-R, R-I-V-E-R river and C-O-V-E-R cover. Okay, clever, river, cover. Dark is bark, mark and park. So B-A-R-K bark, M-A-R-K mark and P-A-R-K park. Dusk is T-U-S-K tusk, D-E-S-K desk and T-A-S-K task. Okay. We have to rhyming words is U-S-K, that will come S-K, that is T-U-S-K tusk, D-E-S-K desk and T-A-S-K task. Number 5 is, write the names of vehicles in the correct columns. Now land, water and air. So what vehicles do run on land and running in water and in air. Okay. So these vehicles, first one is car. It is running on land. Okay. On road like. Then helicopter. It will come in air column. Ship, water vehicle we can say. Train, land. Bullock cart also land. Boat, water. Aeroplane, air and truck, land. Question number 6 last, it is, name the landforms. So first one, as per the picture we can say that is mountain. Second is valley. Third is hill. Fourth is plain. Okay. Then on the next page, it is island. Okay. I-S-L-A-N-D, that is island. S is silent over here. And then the last one is desert. Okay children. So here we have finished this workbook part of poem in unit number 6. Just complete it down in your workbook and then learn it.